Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. We shall continue with chapter 12, perimeter and area. Children, now let us learn the new formulas. The first one is total surface area of a cuboid and the other one is total surface area of a cube. Okay, now everyone knows what is a cube. You must have played with it when you were small. Okay, and cuboid is same like cube, but it is a rectangular shape. Cube is of square shape, but cuboid is a rectangular shape object. Now the formula for total surface area of a cuboid is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, so that is written as 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is a formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Next, the formula for total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into side square. Okay, now here the side is assumed as L. So that is written as 6L square. So these are the two formulas which you have to learn. Now let us go to practice set 47, textbook page number 86. First question, find the total surface area of the cubes having the following sides. So they have given us the sides and we have to find the total surface area of a cube. So the first sum, the side is given 3 centimeter. So let us find the total surface area of a cube for side 3 centimeter. So that is equals to 6L square, because the formula for total surface area of a square is 6L square. So 6L square, which is equals to 6 multiplied by L. L is what? It is given to us as 3. The side. L is the side of a cube. So that is given to us as 3. So 3 square, which is equals to 6 into square of 3 is 9. 6 9s are 54. So 54 square centimeters. See, you can see here it is written square centimeter. Why? Because there is a word area. Since there is a word area, it is written as square centimeter. Next, second sum you have to do for homework. Third one, the side is 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 meter. So the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square, which is equals to 6 multiplied by, what is L now? 7.2. So 7.2 square. So now that is 6 into 7.2 into 7.2. So you multiply this 7.2 into 7.2. You get that as 51.84. So 6 multiplied by 51.84 will give you this answer. Okay, so your answer is 311.04 square. It is meter. Okay, square meter, because it is in meter. So it is square meter. So fourth and fifth is also for homework. So second, fourth and fifth from question number 1 is for homework. Okay, so now let us proceed further to the next question. Second question. Find the total surface area of a cuboid where the length, breadth and heights are given below. So the length, breadth and height is given, and from this you have to find the total surface area of a cuboid. So total surface area of a cuboid formula is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So now here in the textbook they have given us this is the length, then next is the breadth and next is the height. So this is a sequence, length, breadth and height. So length, breadth and height. So first sum, the length is given to us as 12, breadth is 10 and height is 5. So now let's begin. 2 bracket length is 12 multiply by breadth, which is 10. There is an addition sign, so put an addition sign. Again the breadth is 10, so 10 multiplied by height is 5. Next there is an addition sign, so put an addition sign. Again height is 5 into length is 12. Okay, so now first you are going to multiply these terms. 12 tens are 120, 10 fives are 50, 12 fives are 60. You can see the addition sign is as it is, the bracket is as it is, and the number 2 is also as it is. Only first you multiply the terms which are inside the bracket. Now I add 150 plus 50 plus 60. Okay, so that gives me 230. So when I add all these three, it is 230. So 2 multiply. Now I have taken out the bracket sign. So when I take out the bracket sign, I will put a multiplication sign. So 2 multiply by 230. So which is equals to 460 square centimeter. Because it is in centimeter, it will be in square centimeter. Next, the second sum, find the total surface area of a cuboid where length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3.5 centimeter and height is 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so again use the formula 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 bracket length is 5 into breadth is 3.5 plus, so plus sign, breadth is 3.5 into height is 1.4. Again there is addition sign. So addition sign over here. Next, height is 1.4 into length is 5. So now you multiply 5 into 3.5. So 5 into 3.5 is 17.5 plus 3.5 into 1.4 will give you 4.9. Okay. Next, plus 1.4 into 5 will give you 7. So that is 2 multiply by, add all this, will give you 29.4. So 2 into 29.4 will give you 58.8 square centimeter. Okay. So next, the third and fourth sum you have to do for homework. Now let us see the fifth sum. Sorry, question number 3. A matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter long, that is the length. Then 2.5 centimeter broad, so breadth is 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter in height. So its outer sides are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? So here they have given you 3 things: length, breadth and height of a matchbox. Now you all have seen a matchbox. It is a shape of a cuboid, right? So here we are going to use the formula for cuboid because a matchbox is of the shape of a cuboid. So total surface area of a matchbox is equals to, use the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Now we know the length, that is 2 bracket 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 4 and close the bracket. So now you multiply. 4 into 2.5 is 10. 2.5 into 1.5 is 3.75 and 1.5 into 4 is 6. Okay. So 2 multiply by, you add all these 3. Okay, so when you add all these 3, you get 19.75. So 2 into 19.75, which is equals to 39.5 square centimeter. Okay. Next, question number 4. An open box of length 1.5 meter. So length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. Okay. this is a given thing of open box. Okay, open box of these given measurements is to be made for use on trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? Okay, now here they have given us the required things, and a box is to be made, okay, for use on trolley for carrying a garden waste. So now we have to find how much metal sheet will be required to make this box. Okay, we have to find the total quantity or total metal sheet required to make this box. So now the total metal sheet required to make an open box, okay, is equals to, now it is a open box. They have not told you anything regarding the shape of a box, okay, but they have given you the length, breadth and height. So since the length, breadth and height is given, we assume that the box is of a cuboid shape. Okay, now you all have seen a box. Okay, a box consists of 6 surfaces. You can see the two at two sides. Okay, you can see the surfaces of a box. Okay, it consists of 6 surfaces. Okay, and one is the top surface. So area of 6 surfaces minus the area of a top surface. Okay, so you can see this is a box. Okay, now suppose this is the box, and a box consists of how many sides? Let's see, 1, okay, 1, then 2 is here, 2 sides, that is 4, 1 down and 1 top, so total it consists of 6 sides. So that is why area of 6 surfaces minus, why now minus? Because I need an open box, right? I need a open box, so that is why I minus the area of this top surface, because it is a open box, so I have to open this, so minus the area of top surface. So area of 6 surfaces minus the area of top surfaces. Okay, so what is the formula for area of a cuboid? It is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length minus the area of a rectangle. Why rectangle? Because this is a rectangular shape, the top area, it is a rectangular shape, so minus length into breadth, that is the area of a rectangle. Okay, so now let's write. So 2 bracket length is 1.5 into breadth is 1 plus breadth is 1, height is 1 plus height is 1, length is 1.5 minus length is 1.5 into breadth is 1. So 2 bracket 1.5 into 1 is 1.5, 1 ones are 1, 1.5 into 1 is again 1.5 minus 1.5. So now 1 point, you add this, so that is 2 into 4 minus this 1.5. So first you multiply this 2, so that is equal to 8 minus 1.5, which is equals to 6.5 square meter. Okay, so 6.5 square meter sheet is required. So this is your answer. So with this I have completed the lesson. Now children, for your first assignment test of your second term, you have to study 2 chapters, okay, for your assignment test. So assignment test of your first term, of your second term. Okay, this is the first assignment test. Okay, first assignment test for your second term. You have to study chapter number 11, that is circle, and chapter number 12, which is perimeter and area. So these two, you have to be thorough with these 2 chapters for your assignment test. Thank you.